I figured I'm gonna take you guys along for this mission that is trying to fit a big ass light in my small ass office. All day I spent rebuilding our community site. You can check it out. Link in the description, first one. And I want to refilm our VSL, and I was kind of waiting for this light to come in. So I showed you guys the softbox. What I didn't realize is that I needed an expensive light and an expensive 9-foot stand. So the goal is like try to fit it back there somewhere. Let's see how this goes. Yeah. Honestly, pretty big and distracting. We've got another community member interview today. He actually came to me. We got our boy Zach. One of the few attendees of all 3 of our events in person in Austin. Was doing a remote setting and closing. Now runs an agency. He's crushing it. You guys are gonna get to hear all about it. Lucky you. Test. I think it's recording. I got you. Do you have one of these?
I don't know. Oh, is it a Yeti coat?
Yeah.
I've actually been wanting one.
There you go, dude.
So
you actually were part of the community before we even had those. So I was trying to remember if you got one or not.
Dang, that's actually lit. Thank you.
Yeah, dude.
I'm actually hyped about that.
We're here with Zach, 3P annual high ticket sales meetup attendee.
Let's go.
Community member of, I was gonna ask you before, I forgot to, but like, do you remember the month and year that you joined?
2023, I think it was August, but I don't know if it was 22.
It was 23 probably. I should have asked you this in the beginning. Revenue wise, like where is the agency? What I remember speaking about last time, I don't think you're still there.
No, like at the sales meetup, we were like maybe like just over 10. Now we're like mid 20s. It's super lean. And it's like, we make our money back. Like any onboarding expense I incur, we are, profitable month 1, then every month after that, it's just like super green.
Recurring?
Yeah, everyone's startup plus retainer.
How much of that revenue is just like straight up recurring profit at this point?
Most of it.
What up, gang? Got the trophy, we got Devin. Devin landed a roll.
What's up?
Apparently this is the serial bus, because I just drive the boys around, but we're going. Matt's El Rancho, if you know, you know. We got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 community guys, a couple other guys, gonna have some Tex-Mex and Margs. That's what we're on.
What up, gang? I will talk to you, man.
I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them more than
Lock in, man. Frank, how many calories?
Maybe like 1,005.
Hey, Franklin, right there, 20K a month, big earner, right? He just had something crazy happen. They brought out the food and he said, it's not fitting on the table. That's how much he ordered.
I'm clocking that game. Everyone's a winner, we're making our fame. Bonafide hustler, making my name. Sometimes
Guess the impression. Hey, John? Yeah, are you gonna meet? All right, cool. Do you have the meeting link? Awesome. $1,200.
That's up, boy. Frank, man.
I moved to Austin, Texas, and all I do is get fucking bullied, man. Oh my God, I'm 6'4" and tatted.
There's not a single girl watching any of these videos or
guys,
know it.
oh my God. Hold on.
You know what it do. Chud closer, okay? When you get onto a call, it's about the quality of the camera. It ain't about the questions you ask. It ain't about the objection handling abilities. It is the quality of the camera. We do. This is dope, dude.
Team, I come bearing fantastic news. We have done it again. Another Austin community member just hit his first 10K month. If you don't believe me, I will show you. I can't really read backwards. You can see it here. Did it, 10K. 17 days left. Well, not 17 now. About half of the month still to go. He could do 20K. This dude is 21 years old.
How much you making this month?
I'm at 6 right now. I'm pacing for 10
Pacing
for the
for
first
10.
month ever.
What's your offer?
I'm on a Chinese offer that teaches people how to become fluent in Mandarin, just like me.
There you go.
Came to our event in Austin, joined our community, landed the role in the community. I'll pop up the screenshot, recent win. Combining two things that are unique to him. One, his sales ability, which this is one of it, like this is like his first serious closing role. Two, a language that he speaks. The company that he's selling for helps people speak Mandarin. I don't really know much about it, but I would assume it's like Duolingo on steroids with accountability. I don't know. He's moving to Italy. He's also into opera, but he's moving to Italy in April. And I'm gonna see if we can get an in-person interview. I wanna wait throughout the month to see where he ends up, but I had to come on here to tell you guys. And I gotta tell you guys, big milestone for me, first time ever in my life. Check this out, man. We might be freaking back. We might be more back than we've ever been. I don't expect you to know what this is unless you've done sports or running. That is a 58 VO2 max. I just crossed that today. If you see this chart, it is up and to the right, which means we are pacing strong for the goal of a sub 3-hour marathon. And guys, when I hit this sub 3-hour marathon, I'm probably gonna do an Ironman after, but I can't wait to just like start eating a shit ton of food and lifting weights again. I've been on my skinny arc, man. I gotta collect the infinity stones of fitness. Today, drove down 2 hours to San Antonio, nephew's birthday. Went to the old pizza spot I used to be a manager at in high school. Parked my now Porsche 911 Turbo S where I used to park my first ever Ford F-150. It's crazy to be in that establishment. Pizza still hitting, but with my now fiance, my now Porsche 911 Turbo S, and now not making pizza or managing pizza stores. Never would have thought I'd be back 10 years later under these circumstances. There is a clip, maybe you'll see it, of the boys testing my setup with this new light that I got. The other light, the camera, and they're both convinced, like, dude, I'm gonna do this because altogether, maybe $1,500. If you get 2 more closes paid for, and it's gonna pay dividends. So I'm using just like, this isn't my normal camera setup right now, but you can tell this light, it might be a little blown out right now, the exposure. When it's set up right, and this little light in the background, dude, the only guy that I know that has a better setup than me, and he's a closer, he gets every interview, offline videos, and he's been making 15 grand a month for the last 2 years working part-time. His name is Zion. We have an interview. I'll link it at the end of this video. It is so worth the investment to upgrade your setup. Perception is everything in sales. Perception gets you interviews, it gets you hired, it makes the sales happen. You have to be the person that's communicating non-verbally that you are a professional, that you do this, that you are an authority. And if you look like you're in your childhood bedroom, still possible. If you look like you're, in the basement of your parents' house, it's still possible. But if you look like an authority, you can be a lot worse at sales and compete with people who don't look like an authority, but are better at sales. Don't underestimate it, man. Just edited this video, filming the outro. This morning I ran 20 miles. My face is still like red from it. So I'm exhausted. I'm gonna keep this short. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, do the like, do the subscribe. I appreciate it all. Drop a comment even if you're feeling generous. Like I said, there is gonna be an interview linked after this one from my guy Zion. Check out his setup in there, hear about his story. Pretty solid. If you are interested in jumping into the community, like a lot of the people that you've seen in this video, go down below to the first link in the description. I just rebuilt that page, so if it sucks, let me know. And that's gonna be it, man. I'm gonna wrap this up, Black Hoodie season, and get ready for the week ahead. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.